Hello students! In this video, we will be learning about atoms, molecules and compounds. Hope you guys are excited. Let's get started. By now, I'm sure you already know what are elements. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. Examples of some commonly known elements are gold, argon, which is a gas in a light bulb, as well as iron. So what are elements made of? Take for instance an iron screw. If we zoom into the object many times, we will see that it is made up of smaller particles. These particles are called atoms. Atoms are relatively small. Do you know that it would take 10 to the power of 15 iron atoms to completely cover a portion of the screw? An atom is the smallest unit of an element, having the properties of that element. Scientists have come together and compiled all the elements known to man in a chart called the periodic table. With so many elements existing on this planet, we wonder, are atoms of all elements of the same size? Here are some atoms that represent the relative size of a couple of different elements. We have hydrogen, carbon, iron, gold, and potassium. Atoms can be represented as small balls of different sizes. And we can see here that the smallest atom is hydrogen and the largest out of the 5 is potassium. When an atom combines with other atoms, they form to join molecules. A molecule is a group of 2 or more atoms chemically combined together. Let's take a look at chlorine gas. Chlorine gas contains many molecules of 2 chlorine atoms that are chemically combined together. Since Cl is a symbol for an atom of chlorine, and there are 2 of them in every chlorine gas molecule, the chemical formula of chlorine is Cl2. Remember, the number indicates the number of atoms present in a molecule and must be written in subscript. The chemical formula of a molecule shows the number and the kinds of atoms contained in it. Let's take a look at other molecules. Ozone, which is represented as O3, is a molecule with 3 oxygen atoms. On the other hand, phosphorus, with the chemical formula of P4, contains 4 phosphorus atoms. Here is a molecule of water. A water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hence, the chemical formula of water is H2O. Unlike the previous molecules we have discussed, a water molecule has more than one element. Hence, water is a compound. A compound is a substance containing 2 or more elements chemically combined together. Compounds are typically made of ions or molecules. Here are more examples of molecules of compounds. NH3 consists of nitrogen and hydrogen atoms and is commonly known as ammonia. CH3OH is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms and is known as methanol. Now that we have uncovered what are atoms, molecules and compounds, it's time to put on your thinking caps and answer some really easy questions. Which one of these diagrams represents an atom? Yup, you got that right. Au is the chemical symbol for gold, commonly found in jewelry. Which of these represents a molecule of a compound? Excellent! These are molecules of methane and nitric oxide. That's all for this video.